This question belongs to Theory of Computation subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2015 Set 3. So the question states, let L be the language accepted by the regular expression sigma star 0011 sigma star, where sigma is 0, 1, which is the input alphabet. What is the minimum number of states in a DFA that recognizes L complement? So let us first draw the NFA for this. So we have the regular expression 0 plus 1 whole star 0 0 1 1 0 plus 1 whole star. So how we draw the NFA for it? So NFA will look something like, we will have 0 and 1 over here on Q0 state, then we go to Q1 on seeing a 0, then we go to Q2 on seeing a 0, then we go to Q3 on seeing a 1, we go to Q4 on seeing a 1, then we loop on Q4 on seeing 0 or 1, and Q4 is our final state. Now let us do the NFA to DFA conversion. So how we convert? See, we have input alphabet 0 and 1, we have Q0 as the initial state. Now Q0 on 0 remains on Q0 and goes to Q1, and Q0 on 1 it remains at Q0. Now we will take Q0 Q1. So Q0 Q1. Q0 on 0 remains in Q0 as well as Q1, and Q1 on 0 goes to Q2. Now Q0 Q1 on a 1, Q0 on a 1 goes to Q0, and Q1 on a 1 goes nowhere. Now we have Q0 Q1 Q2. Q0 Q1 Q2 on a 0. So Q0 goes to Q0 and Q1, Q1 goes to Q2, Q2 goes nowhere. Now we have on a 1. So Q0 on 1 goes to Q0, Q1 on 1 goes nowhere, Q2 on 1 goes to Q3. Now we have Q0 Q3. So Q0 on a 0 goes to Q0 and Q1, Q3 on a 0 goes nowhere. Now we have Q0 Q3 on a 1. Q0 on 1 goes to Q0 and Q3 on 1 goes to Q4. Now we have Q0 Q4. Any state containing the final state of NFA will be final. So Q0 Q4 will be final state. So Q0 on a 0 goes to Q0 and Q1, and Q4 on a 0 goes to Q4. Now Q0 on a 1 goes to Q0, Q4 on a 1 goes to Q4. And this is our final state. Now we have Q0, Q1, Q4. Or let us represent final state in the left hand side only. Now it has Q4, so it is final state. Now Q0 on a 0 goes to Q0 as well as Q1, Q1 on a 0 goes to Q2, Q2 on a 0. Now we have Q4, Q4 on a 0 goes to Q4. Now Q0 on a 1 goes to Q0, Q1 on a 1 goes nowhere, Q4 on a 1 goes to Q4. Now we have Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q4. Q0 on a 0 goes to Q0 and Q1. Okay. Q1 on a 0 goes to Q2, Q2 on a 0 goes nowhere, Q4 on a 0 goes to Q4. Now on 1, Q0 on 1 goes to Q0, Q1 on 1 goes to nowhere, Q2 on 1 goes to Q3, and Q4 on a 1 goes to Q4. Now we have Q0, Q3, Q4. Q0, Q3, Q4. So Q0 on a 0 goes to Q0 and Q1, and this is our final state as it contains Q4. Q0 on a 0 goes to Q0 and Q1, Q3 on a 0 goes nowhere, Q4 on a 0 goes to Q4. Now we have on 1, Q0 on 1 goes to Q0, Q3 on 1 goes to Q4, and Q4 on 1 goes to Q4. Okay. Now we have Q0, Q4 is already done. Now we have Q0, Q1, Q4 is already done. Okay. So let us draw the DFA for it. So DFA will have a state Q0, which on 0 goes to Q0, Q1, which on 1 goes to Q0 only, Q0, Q1 on a 0 goes to Q0, Q1, Q2, which on a 1 goes to Q0. Now Q0, Q1, Q2 on a 0 goes to Q0, Q1, Q2, and on a 1 goes to Q0, Q3. Now Q0 Q3 on a 0 goes to Q0 Q1. On a 0 it goes to Q0 Q1. I think we have done a mistake. Okay, wait, let me do it again. More clearly, carefully this time. See, Q0 on a 0 goes to Q0 Q1. On a 0 goes to Q0 Q1. On a 1 it goes to Q0. Q0 Q1 on a 0 goes to Q0 Q1 Q2. Q0 Q1 Q2. And on a 1 it goes to Q0. So yeah, this was the mistake. Q0 Q1 on a 1 goes to Q0. Q0 Q1 Q2 on a 0 goes to Q0 Q1 Q2. And on a 1 goes to Q0 Q3. Q0 Q3. Q0 Q3 on 0 goes to Q0 Q1. And on a 1 it goes to Q0 Q4. Q0 Q4. Q0 Q4 is our final state. Now Q0 Q4 on 0 goes to Q0 Q1 Q4. On a 0 it goes to Q0 Q1 Q4, which is our final state. And on a 1 it goes to Q0 Q4. Now Q0 Q1 Q4 on a 1 goes 0 goes to Q0 Q1 Q2 Q4. Q0 Q1 Q2 Q4, which is also a final state. On a 0 it goes, and on a 1 it goes to Q0 Q4, which is also final. Now Q0 Q1 Q2 Q4 on a 0 loops to itself, and on a 1 it goes to Q0 Q3 Q4, which is also a final state. Now Q0 Q3 Q4 on a 0 goes to Q0 Q1 Q0 Q1 Q4, and on a 1 it goes to Q0 Q4. Now see carefully. This entire part has nothing but just the final state looping on itself. Okay, so we can minimize this to a single state. So we can minimize this entire part to a single final state. As here we are just looping in the final states only, so we can minimize it. So we will have something like on a 1 it loops here, and on a 0 also it loops here. Okay, now this is our DFA for the given question, but it is asking DFA for L complement. It is DFA for L. So DFA for L complement will be just the non-final states are made final. So Q0 is final, Q0 Q1 is final, Q0 Q1 Q2 is final, Q0 Q3 is final, and the non-final and the final states are made non-final. So Q0 Q1 Q0 Q4 is made non-final with a loop on 0 and 1. So we have just 5 states. So answer is 5. Or we have a shortcut. If we have n steps, then the answer is n plus 1. This is a shortcut for this, but it is better to go with this long approach. So answer is option B, 5.